Namah Shivaya children. Today we will discuss about the concept large numbers. Why we are considering these numbers as large numbers. In your previous classes, you have studied 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. In this session, we will discuss the numbers that are after 10 lakhs, that is crores or 10 crores. Let us discuss the numbers. Do you know the distance between the earth and the sun is almost 14 crore 96 lakh kilometer? Another fact, do you know that population of Odisha is almost 4 crore 38 lakhs? Then the population of India is around 135 crores. Whenever we are quantifying a large number, whenever we have to quantify a large number, then we give it as crores. We cannot say India is having 835,000 population. No, we term it as a crore or lakh. Suppose now do you imagine how much a crore will be? Suppose you were to spend rupees 100 every day, and I give you 1 crore. Do you know how much it will last? It will last around 100 years. You can spend, by spending rupees 100 per day, you will be spending 1 crores almost 100 years, or 10,000 to be very precisely 10,000 years. Now let us see what are the formation of large numbers. Formation of large numbers, we know the largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Sorry. When 1 is added to it, it becomes a 7-digit number. It becomes 10 lakh. The largest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. When we add 1 to it, it becomes 1 crore. I repeat, the largest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. When we add 1 to it, it becomes an 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. So how many zeros it is having? 7 zero. 1 with 7 zeros is known as 1 crore. Let us see other examples of crores. So the number with having 7 zeros is known as the smallest of 8 digits. It is the one of the smallest 8-digit numbers, and it is known as 1 crore. Similarly, 3 with 7 zeros is known as 3 crore. 7 with 7 zeros is known as 7 crores. 9 with 7 zeros is known as 9 crores. Now 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 is the greatest number of 8 digits, and it is read as 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. If we add 1 to it, it becomes the smallest number of 9 digits, that is 10 crore. Then let us summarize how much 1, when in your previous classes we have studied 1. So it is 1 digit. 10, it is 2 digit. 1 with 1 0. Well, 1 with 2 zeros, it is known as 100. 1 with 3 zeros, it is 1000, or it is a 4 digit number. 1 with 4 zeros, it is 10,000. It is a 5 digit number. 1 with 5 zeros, it is 1 lakh. It is a 6 digit number. 1 with 6 zeros, it is 10 lakh. It is a 7 digit number. 1 with 7 zeros, it is 1 crore. It is 8 digit. 1 with 8 zeros, it is 10 crore, and it is 9 digit. Now we have seen how the formation of crore takes place. Now let us see the place value chart of Indian number system. Now, as you know, to read a large number, we first divide it into various periods, starting from right hand side, from this side. For making a period, we put a comma after 3 digits, starting from the right, and then we put a comma after every 2 digits. The first period consisting of 3 digits are called ones or unit period, units or ones period. The next period consisting of 2 digits is called thousands period. The next period consisting of 2 digits is known as the lakh period. The next period which consisting of 2 digits is the crores period. Now let us again I summarize. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundred place, this is thousand place, this is 10,000 place, this is lakh place, this is 10 lakh place, this is crore, and this is 10 crore. Whatever I am discussing right now is all related to the place value chart of Indian number system. I repeat, whenever a number you are finding, from the right count 3 digits, put a comma. This will be your ones period. It comprises of ones, tens, hundreds. After you put after 3 digits you put a comma, then after 2 digits again you put a comma. It is thousands. That is 10,000 and 1,000. Again you put after 2 numbers you put a comma. It is lakhs, 10 lakh, and 1 lakh. Again, in the last 2 digits it will be crores, 10 crores and 1 crore. I hope you are clear with the place value chart. Now let us discuss how a large number can be written. I have taken an example here: 12 crore 86 lakh 46,345. So how we will write it as in both the numbers, in the standard form as well as in the expanded form and word form. In a standard form, we write in 2 different types. They are by putting the commas. Look from the right hand side. After 3 numbers, put a comma. This is the ones period or a unit period. This is the thousands period, lakhs periods, crore period. We put a comma, or we can put deliberately some space between the periods. This is the unit period, this is the thousand period, this is the lakh period, this is the crore period. As we know, in the lower, in 3 classes we have learned how to write the expanded number, how to write the expanded form of a number. Similarly, you have to write the expanded number of a large number. In the word form, you have to write 12 crore 86 lakh 46,345. Therefore, these are the 3 different types where we can express a large number. They can be standard form, they can be expanded form, they can be word form. Let us see next slide. These are some of the exercises for you to practice. You write this in your copy. Once the school reopens, I'll see to you I'll see to your individual copies. Now, I hope you get the ideas of write how to write and interpret the large number systems, basically the Indian number system. In the next class, we'll discuss about international number system. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.